speaking to?
Bhfuil ocras bith agat.
Aye. As Gaeilge done and all. And what ocras to be agat? Are you hungry or starving? Fuck 96. 96, boy.
Look at this.
Some story built into this one, girl. I think that's what I am, really, a storyteller.
Yeah, I think so. Can you manage that?
Yeah.
Here we are.
When I show you the tape I found the other day, fuck. You can see the place as it was when I came here. What do you say to that?
Oh, it's here.
What?
It's the valley.
It is. Dramatised.
Yeah.
I'm a fucking drama queen, really.
Yeah.
See Finn.
Seafin, yeah. Mountain.
What else do you see in it?
Well, you've got one of the Northern Ireland walls
Yeah, it's a
in
Union Jack
Belfast. Yeah.
gable of the shed down there on the road.
Okay.
But I've taken over Glenn's back in Finn's back in the valley. You see what it is? It's stylized.
Yeah.
What happened in 1845?
Great famine.
The crop failed. It's a young potato plant
Okay.
below ground.
Babies.
The spuds are all rotting. Look at the spuds close up.
Yeah, I see there's fetuses in them, babies.
Yeah, they're all fetus.
Yeah.
She's in front of the original old hovel with the thatch.
Yeah.
But who is she? I took this from her from an American fucking evangelical bloody magazine. What a wonderful image. But she's holding a rotten potato in her hands. She's ruined. Everything's dead all around her, you know. That's what the quote is. She's just said to whoever took the shot, in a sense. And what ocras will be agat, because hers are all dead here. Way up the valley. What's that in the sky? It's something else I did a long time ago. Can you see what it is? Come on, you're very quick and simple on things, because I keep it simple. It goes back to paintings of mine way back.
Okay.
Can you not discern what it's about?
Is it the holies of holy in the sky watching them? Something like that?
It's the spirits, it's all that's left. It's the mother and the children.
Okay.
They're no longer
It's falling there.
they're no longer with us, you know.
Yeah. Great image, Richard.
What?
It's a great image.
It should be in the public domain.
Yeah.
Have you shot it?